There is a massive disruption in the hospitality industry accredited to a new breed of travelers and immense technology innovations. Mobile technology is the most popular innovation that hotels are integrating into their guest experiences. Branded mobile apps are being offered by major hotels like the Marriott, Hilton, Sheraton, IHG, Ritz-Carlton, and Hyatt, to name a few. Guests can easily check in, make pre-check-in requests, communicate with staff, unlock the room, and control room features through. Hotels are quickly responding through brilliant initiatives including eco-power generation, sourcing local organic produce, adding green areas, installing eco-friendly appliances, and completely removing plastic items from their assets. The sustainability drive is a great initiative and is quickly picking momentum due to its multiple benefits to hotels. Smart rooms will become the new normal, as travelers sync and share data across multiple devices when staying in hotels. Partially mobile-controlled rooms to streaming media using voice assistants and ordering food. Hotels are investing rapidly in state-of-the-art smart room features. Big data and AI applications are completely redesigning guest experience from scratch. Big data is assisting hoteliers and marketers identify major trends, learning about their guest travel behavior in the process. Hotels are identifying revenue opportunities and conducting targeted predictive marketing through the terabytes of guest data have accumulated over the years. Robots are becoming a very popular technology being used to surprise guests with something special. Delivering from basic toiletries to foods, these robot butlers are popular sight in franchise hotels like the ones in Aloft, Hilton, Renaissance, Crowne Plaza, and many more. After Apple's Incorporation's successful deployment of biometrics in their phones, hotels are also quickly adopting the idea. Acre hotels are using biometric scans of guests for predictive marketing. Hotel Alma Barcelona has already deployed fingerprint locks for rooms, and Chinese franchise hotels have handprint readers across all their properties. PCI compliance and data security are very critical topics in modern hospitality. Hotels are highly interested and are making major efforts to secure their hotel technology, guest data, and payment information. Enhanced security is usually achieved through compliant hardware, routinely updated software, and continuous staff training. And here are more examples of hospitality innovations from 2020 to 2022.
Unique staying experience with Kinon W3 Hotel Robot that has advanced escort services that is never seen before. It is well equipped with intelligent, precise navigation and avoidance system so that it can move around safely and steadily. A reliable and hassle-free delivery solution is guaranteed, with high-performance cabin ventilation system and flexible combination and storage units, all for our guests to experience high-quality service. It is an autonomous mobile robot that supports multi-robot cooperative operations, and it can also ride the elevator on its own. And it can also handle various types of roads without any problem and make multiple deliveries at a time. It can improve operational efficiency and be on call 24/7. This is the thoughtful Kinon W3 Hotel Robot, the future of the hotel industry.
Fly to a country merely to visit its airport. But in the case of Singapore, Changi Airport is a must-see national destination. It was conceived in 1975, took 6 years to build, and it cost Singapore government 1 billion Singaporean dollars, the most money ever spent on a public project at the time. Changi Airport was also one of the top 20 busiest airports in the world. In 2019, it was responsible for almost 400,000 flights per year. Furthermore, it has over 65 million aviation passengers from over 100 different countries. Changi was one of the first international airports to use the Aero Bridge, even before it became an industry in standard in air travel. This demonstrates that Changi Airport was always a fast-forward thinking and trailblazing institution, even in the field of basic air transport innovations. Finally, new Changi Airport visitors will be impressed with the airport's array of entertainment offerings. There is a swimming pool, jacuzzi, shower facilities, a poolside bar, movie theaters, and several theme parks for youngsters, wildlife enthusiasts, and aviation enthusiasts between Changi's 4 terminal and the Jewel Complex.
Issues and innovations in hospitality management. The hospitality industry has traditionally been slow to adopt technology and innovative digital solutions, but in 2020 up to now, the COVID-19 pandemic changed and forced all the business outlets to look beyond the traditionals. Many restaurants have turned to tech for the last couple of years, even if reluctantly, to adopt a new reality, one which includes more contactless technology, ways to keep customers or guests separated from other guests, and lots of additional sanitary measures. For example, like table dividers, counter dividers, wearing masks, gloves, and lots of sanitizing. Technologies and innovations are what have helped even save just like any fast food restaurants. Jollibee, McDonald's, T-Top, etc. Booking a hotel, booking a flight, paying online, from online ordering, self-checkouts, and cashless payments to delivery and to pick up. They transform how they operate in this new connected and contactless era, as it's predicted that growth in hospitality industry will be entirely driven off-premise consumption. Using technology is not just improving and the operations and service delivery, but also reimagining the business. In Switzerland, Zurich Airport, virus-killing ultraviolet light used by robots in traveling industry trials created by UV, a Swiss company. They said that it's quite an old technology, but it's more improved and advanced in a way that there is some solution that the system is autonomous, so once it's switched on, the machine disinfects inside the plane all around. In the airline, it's really important that they have to restore the confidence in air travels, so the passengers and crews knows that it's safe and could help run the business again. Okada Manila believes that it can preserve its signature brand, Filipino-Japanese hospitality, while assimilating modern solutions that will help keep its premises safe and secure. The use of technology is not meant to supplant human touch, but enhance and solidify the existing systems in place. For Okada Manila, their goal remains the same, which is to provide a clean and safe experience for guests through service with heart.
French company design face-to-face airplane seating. The design alternates the cabin seat between facing forward and facing backward, so you can stare at your neighbors without turning your head. A French manufacturer and aircraft passenger make a new design of seating for it. It's only a proposal and exploratory that would differ appropriate in each other. In pride that would submitted by one of the largest airline makers in the world. So the main concept of this version is to eliminate flights for the elbow rest and give passengers up to 4 more inches of legroom. But the idea of this is to spend the duration of the flight trying awkwardly to avoid eye contact with seatmates. Furthermore, the concept would exponentially increase the potential for non-part seat issue. The design has a lot of advantage. However, it also has a lot of disadvantages. There are effects on normal space invasion on passenger comfort. Passenger comfort is becoming an important issue that with recent increase in air travel. A common cause of passenger discomfort and distress invasion of the passengers' present space. The design may be have discomfort for some people, but it can improve.
Great service, luxury rooms and stylish decor all feature in the best of hotels. However, no matter how plush your pillows are or great the bellboy is, it can still feel like there's a little something missing. We live in the age of technology, so in an effort to keep up with the times and stay relevant, hotels are starting to get more high-tech than ever before. We're talking check-in robots, smart mirrors, and VR games rooms. These are 10 of the most high-tech and futuristic hotels from around the world. The Strange Hotel Japan. The Henna Hotel, or Strange Hotel as most people call it, is quite possibly the weirdest and most futuristic hotel in the world. On the face of it, the building is very normal. In fact, everything about the hotel is normal until you get acquainted with the staff. The reason why the Strange Hotel received its rather fitting name is because of its 140-strong robotic workforce. From check-in to check-out, robots look after your every need throughout your stay. There are wheeled robots, ultra-lifelike humanoids, and even a couple of dinosaur receptionists to greet you on your way in. Robots do pretty much everything at the Henna Hotel: housekeeping, room service, waitering, you name it. Alongside the robots are a number of other high-tech features, including facial recognition room entry, sensor-triggered lights, and AI smart assistants in every room. In addition to the kitchen team, there are a few other living and breathing staff at the hotel, but they're only really there in case of emergencies and mostly go unnoticed. Pengheng Space Capsules Hotel, China. Capsule hotels are nothing new and are becoming ever more popular as our most visited cities become more overcrowded. However, this one is a little different. The Pengheng Space Capsules Hotel made the news all around the world when it first opened, and I can assure you that it was not because of their comfy mattresses. Featuring a spaceship-like theme throughout, robotic staff, and a number of tech amenities, this ultra-futuristic capsule hotel lives up to the hype and its name. All of the brightly LED-lit capsules feature flat screens, tablets, and a mission control station where you can control the lighting, temperature, and the automatic sliding doors. The very well-trained robotic staff look after all of your needs, from serving drinks to booking tours in the city. While this capsule hotel might not offer the biggest rooms and comfortable environment, it is incredibly cheap at less than $20 a night.
I've never had before, and there's nothing else like it in Albuquerque or most of the country. News 13's Brittany Bade shows us.
Dean, you'd normally only see something like this in a major city, but some of the only places you can see it are local restaurants.
A white tablecloth, white table settings. It looks normal until the lights go off.
So this is the welcome.
This is a brand new type of dinner show.
So it's like having dinner, but then also going to a show, and dinner is the show.
Where the table comes alive with color and responds to how you move.
Something that really adds a new dimension to dining.
It's put on by Albuquerque company StoryLab Interactive.
We are an interactive experience company that builds kind of fun and playful experiences that augment the physical world.
Creative director John Mark Collins says this is their experience dining table setting.
As you go through the experience, we just step through different animations and interactivity.
Right now, they're partnering with local restaurants to host each experience. But they hope to expand.
Ultimately, we'd like to have some physical locations where these happen all the time.
Those locations would feature other types of interactive technology like these wall games that they think will bring people to Albuquerque.
I think that it's a great way to bring people not only to Albuquerque and the restaurants here, but also be able to do something that's very unique that isn't really being done in the rest of the country either.
Collins says Albuquerque is the perfect place for this because of the up-and-coming dining scene and huge arts culture.
I think there's just a lot of room to do these kinds of things here.
The price tag for a dinner is around $100 each, but that includes a several-course meal, drinks, and the tip. Dean.
All right, looks like fun. Brittany, thank you. We have a link to all of their upcoming events